Man, I freaking knew this was gonna happen! Literally as I called Dad!
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Spalding County in west-central Georgia, southeastern Fayette County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Meriwether County in west-central Georgia, Pike County in west-central Georgia,
Man.
southeastern Coweta County in west-central Georgia, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Peachtree City to near Sunnyside and are nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Zebulon, Sonoy, Mothersville, Brooks, Molina, Williamson, Turin, Harrelson, Gay, Rocky Mount, Hilltop, Lipsey Springs, Hollandville, Alvedon, Digby, Zatella, Imlach, and Worcester. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous clouds and ground lightning is occurring with these storms.
Okay.
Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
I'm gonna use this.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 9 p.m. in Atlanta.
Like, why you calling me? So I didn't know until
Okay, so WABE is not relaying.
I was so humbled and so
Great.
grateful.